Hello guys, welcome back to another Jesse Plays Gaming Vlog video. Now today, we're back downstairs. Don't worry about those. I just went through all of my toys, and that's one of the reasons I got this. Also, today is my birthday again. Yeah, I'm 14 now, so... Of course it's raining on my birthday. Anyway, today... we're going to be building this, which I will not try and pronounce this. I'll just show it to you. It's very hard for me to pronounce. So yeah, you can just look at all the info there. Now I'm actually getting into a lot of Lego Technic. I'm actually getting a Lego Technic tow truck. That thing is crazy. Also, I'm starting to notice with these Lego Technic boxes, they have like this way that they can open it, which totally does work. It works, guys. There we go. Told you guys it works. There's one packet, there's a second packet, there's instructions. That is far tinier instruction manual than the car. So this was one I made. I might actually take this thing apart and rebuild it for you guys. But now we have this big of a manual, so yeah, different. Oh boy, what is it talking about? Oh yeah, and this one has the steering mechanism. Yeah, okay. This is gonna be fun. No, pieces stay here. Okay, so you know, I'm thinking from now on, maybe I just don't say anything. And then what that will allow me to do is to what that might allow me to do is to you know, maybe I should be running this on a different system. Okay, guys, give me a second. Okay, guys, I am back now. So one of the reasons I switched... Oh, yeah, I have, that. I have a recycling bin down here for my stuff, but all I've done... And actually, I found out... So if you install Lego instructions on your phone, you actually just need to type in the number 42133, and it'll pull up the instruction manual, and you can kind of go along with me. I'm on step 3 right now. And there, you know, in the, I'll just tell you this now, in the tow truck, there are over 600 steps. Because I went through the step guide. I'm pretty sure there's over 600 steps. I always hate these little guys. I don't like them. This is the only one here, isn't it? Yeah, it is. Okay, then this one goes here. Then over there is one of these guys. I find these things like a normal puzzle, but just you get a toy out of it as well. Oh my gosh, what the heck? Oh, I'm supposed to put 2 on there. So I'm gonna guess these are kind of like the wheels then. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna guess. I'm gonna guess these are the wheels. Because why else would they turn like this? Yeah, they'd have to be the wheels. Oh, these are some pretty standard size wheels. Like, Lego usually makes these ones. These are standard size. I think. I don't know the terms, okay? So anyone who's known Lego Technic is probably like freaking out over me. Jeez. Oh, so I have my ZY Canny. I don't know how to pronounce it, okay, guys? I'm not that good pronouncing things. Okay. And, gosh. I'm just checking this out for a second. No, it's that. So yeah, what would happen, just so then you guys can see this. So this is going to be the wheels, so I can turn. Because the back wheels turn, the front wheels don't. Yeah, that's correct. Or is it the front wheels turn, the back wheels don't? Here, I need to look at the picture again. What the heck? Oh my gosh! Yo, what the freak? No, the front wheels turn, and that's what we're working on right now. Oh, so these are... So that's what we're working on, huh? Front wheels. Well, this looks very, very... This looks very, very good. Or... So yeah, today, I always know when my birthday is, because the Whoop Up Days, the fair, always comes in for my birthday week, which I'm kind of lucky, I guess you could say, because that's when my birthday is. Nice. I'm probably going to stop talking now, so that I can focus on this more, and I'm probably going to put in background music. Okay, what the heck is my phone doing? I keep seeing in the corner of my eye the phone doing something, and I'm scared. Oh yay, we're already using this thing. There's two of them, so I'll get ready with the second. Here, I need to pull up my chair. I could kick out if I want to as well. I could kick out here if I want to as well. But no time for that. I love this thing. I can just push it all the way over here and then push it all the way back. And it'll smoothly go through everything. Okay, that makes sense. And so I guess that's how they work it, hey? And then you can move that yourself or something. There has to be a mechanism for that. But now, if we just show this, there is some pieces still here, but if I just show this quick. Oh, wrong way. No, that was the right way. Don't hit that. We'd actually probably start lowering it right here. Oh, I could even lower it onto there. There has to be something in the air to pull it up and down. Because it's not like the kid's just going to come right here and just go bam, bam. Like, yeah, it's good, but you should make a mechanism for that. because you made a mechanism for the other thing, so why are you not making... Anyways, next part that they want us to do, I'm on number 57 if you're ever following along with me. So now, I just want to see what they're doing. So they're making me put that there. They're making me get these two things and put them right here. These two guys are going right there. These are going here. There we go. Oh, it just allows it to pivot. Oh my gosh. Get to the part where you actually make this work. Please. You're like baiting me. I'm like, oh yes, they put it. Oh, come on. There's this thing going on whether you say Lego or Legos when you're talking about more than one. I'm actually not going to say anything about that because I don't want to get... Well, I guess I'll just do what every single person does that makes Lego Technic videos. I'll show you the parts list. Okay, so here's the part list if you were wondering what all the parts are. Here's the actual finished toy. One moment, please. So from here, you can change how it does things. So you have this little thing here. So you would just bring it up. I'm actually going to set up a little set thing. Give me a second. This is the setup. So I literally make video here, put the thing there. I have my thing here. I'm still enjoying. Can you see that? It's so funny. There is the new car we just worked on. Ooh, close-ups. Ooh. Again, there is a little button for the first guy. The back of it, there's the second button. There's the actual thing. This thing is vibrating right now. Zoom out, zoom out, zoom out. Oh, yeah. Anyways, guys, if I can get this. That is going to be it for today. I hope you guys did enjoy. And, yeah. Bye.